Well, the duck is back, and I'm about to do the most challenging video, one of the most, and it may not work. Put the handbrake on so the vehicle don't move, might make a positive input. So today you can see I'm trying to get off a Hilux steering wheel. This is one of the hardest steering wheels I've done. I don't know I'm not going to try and take it out, but this here was originally tapped here for your bolt, like this one, to thread into this little lever, and I don't think the steering wheel had ever been off, so it didn't want to come off. This is the last time, so I ended up bending that lug. Then the bolt wouldn't hold in there, so I drilled it out, slipped this piece of, what is it, 5 by 20 in the back, and you can see the last hole I did. I drilled and tapped the back of that and put a stud into it, right? And then now I normally put the pipe, I put a pipe in here, and that's to stop the puller pulling right or going sideways. It's to help the puller going sideways. So this is where I'm up to at this moment, of keeping in mind I've come across so many aftermarket wheels on Hiluxes now, and I'm starting to realise why. So just make sure that thing is in the guide. Oh, it's set in. And it's and hopefully it's not going to go down now. Oh, jeez. Just need to do that. And of course I forgot to bring my spanner bag over. Right, that's done up. Now hopefully here we go. Just bear with me. I like to share information like this because it might give you an idea to do a job or help with a job. When I first done this wheel, it came off like a gun. It went boom. You see and that all these studs, I just keep them from heads or whatever. I've got a jar full of them. A lot of guys don't keep stuff like that, but then you want to make up some weird gear to do a job. That's the sort of weird stuff you need, or all those. I just want to take this out to show you. So that's it there. You see this part here was the one, that tab, you can see the way they've designed it so it just bends. So you can't get the wheel off, you just bugger it. You have to get a new wheel. And then you can't get anything there. So that was the little bit of flat bar I put a hole in and tapped it. You could probably get away with something thinner and just weld a nut on the back, but I went with that, and then you just unscrew the back plate so you get a bit of maroon and slide it in there. And the whole reason why I'm trying to do this is because this is a new blinker unit. This whole thing was new. Can't think of the name of it now. And it's packed up, so I've got to take it back and get a new one. Anyway, it's not Harley's, I know, but anyway, just general good information and trying to help, you know. This, I would hate to think how much this would have cost if I had to take it to a garage and pay for it. Like, first thing what they probably done would have buggered the wheel and I would have had to buy a new wheel. Anyway, I'm having a good one. I hope you're having a good one. We'll catch you later.